I'm in the crawl space area, just looking at a furnace, and let's go to the furnace. So this is the crawl space. And that's the furnace there. Basically, that's where the filter is, and that's the return. There's no plenum there. There's supposed to be a metal box here where the ducting connects to, similar to how that box looks. It should be the same thing there. And you could see there's like a metal box right there. And the ducting connects to this metal box. So that should be the same thing there. So this needs a return box. And this is the furnace. In order to install air conditioning, we would have to put what's called a coil here in front, and that won't fit. So I'm going to offer this client a heat pump system.